Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. Gadget Corner. I want talk about specifications of Xiaomi Mi A1. Before that, come on subscribes, so this channel can provide useful information. Xiaomi Mi A1 smartphone was launched in September 2017. The phone comes with a 5.50-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. Display type IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 million colors. Display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The Xiaomi Mi A1 is powered by 2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 128 GB via the micro SD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Mi A1 packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 5-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Xiaomi Mi A1 runs Android 7.1.2 Nougat, and is powered by a 3080 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 155.40 x 75.80 x 7.30, height x width x thickness, and weigh 168.00 grams. The Xiaomi Mi A1 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, infrared, USB OTG, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. Available colors black, gold, rose gold, red. The Xiaomi Mi A1 costs around $219.99 Done. Okay, don't forget watching next video. Thanks for watching.